is not done yet in Bihar politics. Contrary to speculations that his son Nishant Kumar will become Deputy Chief Minister, Nitish Kumar in place got his two most powerful lieutenants, Vijay Kumar Chaudhary and Vijender Yadav, as two Deputy Chief Ministers in Samrat Chaudhary led government in Bihar. Both the deputy chief ministers are long-term loyalists as well as staunch socialists. By denying Nishant Kumar a place in the cabinet as deputy chief minister, Nitish Kumar has lived to his reputation as an anti-dynast. That's his legacy as he built his political career, modeled on former Bihar Chief Minister Karpuri Thakur, who in his lifetime never encouraged his family members to enter politics, and when he died, he did not even leave any property for his family members. That has been the ideal of Nitish Kumar, and that he has lived up to by not making Nishant Kumar the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar.